Sup y'all, it's Elijah with Financial Anatomy. Y'all know the drill by now. We cover apps that involve money and personal finance, and of course, we're here to help you take control of your financial destiny. We're going to be covering the Cash App and how you can enable a new feature called Auto Reload. This basically gives you the ability to set up regular deposits from your debit card to your Cash App account. So we want to start off by opening the Cash App up. Then click on the icon at the bottom left-hand corner. If you scroll to the very bottom, you'll see where it says Auto Reload, add money automatically. Click on it, and you'll see towards the middle of the screen it says Scheduled, add money daily, weekly, or monthly from your linked debit card. Click on Turn On, and it's going to ask you how often would you like to add cash. So you can select daily, weekly, or monthly. For this example, I'll go with weekly. It will then ask you what day do you want to set this up on. I'll go with Sunday for this example. And finally, you'll be asked how much money do you want to transfer on that day. I'll go with $20, so I'm going to schedule it. And it's letting me know that it's been done and the first transfer is scheduled for April 13th. It then takes me back to this screen where it shows me the details of what I've set up. If at some point I want to make any changes to that, if I want to make a change, I just click on what I want to change. For example, the frequency, and I can switch to daily, weekly, or monthly. If I want to change the amount, just click on amount, and then add the new amount that you want to update the schedule on. Next, we'll cover the balance-based feature. This is a feature that will basically manage your Cash App balance for you. So if the amount of money you have in Cash App drops below a certain amount, the balance-based feature will allow you to automatically add money from your debit card. So let's go ahead and click on it by clicking on Turn On. And from here, you set the amount that if your balance falls below this number, then Cash App will automatically add money. That's the first number. The second number is the amount that you want Cash App to add. So for example, if I set my amount to not fall below $20, then I buy something for $10, that will leave $10 left in my account. Cash App will automatically take money from my debit card that's linked on Cash App, in this case it'd be $10, to bring it back up to $20. You can set those numbers up right here just by clicking on the numbers. It's important to note that both these features are only available if you have a debit card linked on file with Cash App. Now let's briefly go over some of the things that will stop you from being able to use the balance-based function or feature. According to Cash App, if you withdraw below the minimum amount you set, then it will automatically be turned off. The feature will also be disabled if you overdraft your account or if you have a past loan due from the Cash App borrow feature. Doing any of these three things will automatically turn the feature off, and you will need to turn it back on. For the last two, such as the overdraft balance or past due loan, the option to turn it on will not happen. You will just see this on the screen. See how it's blurred out? So if you need this feature, you want to make sure that those things are taken care of first. That does it for this video. If you have any other questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new, and give this video a thumbs up if you found value in it. I'll catch you in the next video, and don't forget to get out there and take control of your financial destiny.